Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard melodies in FL Studio. First, let's pick a strong foundation. Start by selecting a minor scale, such as C minor or F sharp minor, to immediately establish a darker, more intense mood. Next, set your project's tempo. A range between 130 to 160 beats per minute often works well for hard-hitting tracks. Finally, open the piano roll and begin by placing your root notes, typically the first and fifth notes of your chosen scale, to build a solid harmonic base. Now, let's build out those chords and inject some rhythm. Expand your root notes into full 3-note or 4-note minor chords, ensuring they stay within your selected scale for cohesion. Don't just play them straight, vary the rhythm significantly. Try holding some notes for a full bar and others for just 1/4 of a beat to create dynamic contrast. Additionally, experiment with simple arpeggios, breaking up your chords to add a sense of urgency and intricate movement to your melody. To make your melody truly stand out, we need to introduce counter melodies and intelligent layering. Develop a simple, yet memorable counter melody that complements your main chord progression, using only notes from your established scale. This secondary line adds interest without clashing. Next, layer your primary melody with a different instrument, perhaps a synth pad or a bell, to give it more body and texture. Try playing the layered instrument an octave higher or lower to create a wider, more expansive sound. Finally, let's refine your hard melody with effects and smart arrangement. Start by adding subtle reverb and a short delay to your melody to give it a sense of space and depth without muddying the mix. Next, experiment with a low-pass filter, slowly sweeping it down to create tension before a drop, or up to reveal the full melody. When arranging, ensure you have clear sections with impactful drops and brief breaks, perhaps every 8 or 16 bars, to keep listeners engaged and the energy high.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.